Hey guys, and we're back for another trade. Today is December 13. And then I took a trade and I remembered that I needed to hit the record button. But anyway, so I'm giving you a quick recap why I took the trade. Basically, what happened is you can see a draw that I highlighted this area of where the market was ranging, like between the support and resistance, a small one in the 2 minutes, and then I drag on top of that Fibonacci extension. So I went in with two contracts and I placed the first target around the 50%, a little bit down 50%, and then the second target is something that we'll manage later on, but for now I'm focusing on this first target. As you can see, the market is going that direction. What happened is at the opening, the market just melted all the way this area to 61%, and then recovered all the way up, and then passed the 25%, and then he created this W pattern, and then now he's going to form another one. According to my analysis, there is high chances that the price will go down, so I'm not gonna create the W the regular shape. What's gonna create W going to down. So the market now is about to touch our first target and secure that little profit, but it seems that there is a struggle fight around this area between the bearish and the bullish. My position is short. I'm going short for the second day of the week. This is Tuesday, and at 9:30, what happened? Why I didn't go to the market at 9:30, because there were like three major news. So the market wasn't. It's not something that I like to trade around this area. Let's see if I'm changing my setup and I'm going as a scalper, but this time I'm not going as a scalper. I'm going as a day trade. I think sometimes being day trade is less stressful than scalping. Scalping around that area, it needs in my opinion, it needs really a strong mindset, and then better tools, I would say. But for someone like me, and as a retail day trader or retail trader, I like to go just a day trade and then start my analysis around 1 hour time frame, and I go all the way down to 2 minutes. So it seems that the market is gonna touch our first targets, but still there is a strong fight around this area. Let's see what happened. There you go. So the market happened to hit our first targets, and then we made secured $500.15. Now it's just matter of risk management. So what happened is I put my stop loss a little bit further than just secure a little bit of profit on top of that $515, and then now I'm gonna ride that a little bit down to hit my second target. This area that I'm expecting the market is gonna go all the way down to. But let's see what happened. For now, you can see those two bearish candles are strong, are violent. So this one, you can see how really beautiful candle going down, but this area of, when I'm pointing my cursor, is the area of the target area. Look at the RSI going down because the market was oversold, and the volume showing that accordingly. So in the meantime, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and also this bell icon. Just keep updated for the next upcoming videos. And then also comment below if anything you guys want to discuss, want to share. Please do ask me a question. If something they want me to share with you guys, please do let me know. Okay, then there now the market is reaching the 61% of the Fibonacci. So remember, that's exactly this close to the area was the market reverse all the way up after the opening, like the first 15 minutes after the opening is reverse all the way. So it's gonna be a little bit fight around this area as well. And then at that moment, like I will start to place accordingly my stop loss and see what's going on. As you know, I would like to make the $300 minimum profit anytime I take a trade. So now I have more than that. I made more than that. So there is no, for me at the time, the pressure went off. But still, the trade is on and I'm taking it and seriously. It is basically is a, when I go to trade, I go like doing a business, you know. It's not it's just, it's fun, yes, and then also it's an art, but it's not just I want to just place a trade and see what's going on. I like to take study everything prior to take the trade. And then yes, you can see you can see this area here. That's that's where the market reverse can see in the order book. So I'm pointing to the cursor. So it seems the market like went beyond it. Let's see what's happening. Is the market gonna reverse or gonna keep pushing all the way down? Yes, it seems that the market going all the way down. So now I'm replacing again my stop loss around that area. So now whatever happened, I don't care. So then I'm gonna place my target is just a little bit and that quick right there, just a little bit 2 3 4 6 maybe, just to make sure. So whatever happened, so market go down, touch our target profit, touch the stop loss is a profit. So it's a winning trade at this time now. The market is the trade is a winning trade. So I'm placing my stop loss. There is something that I like to do is draw a quick Fibonacci around that candle and see, just to make sure about my where I place my stop loss. You know, if the candle, the red candle, reverse candle, and it went beyond 50%, is there a chance it's gonna go beyond that? If reach 25%, well, that's it. I mean, you probably start to think. To think that the markets might take a little bit longer or even in reverse. So I place it around the 25%, and then if the market touches, well, I'm out with the profit. If not, and I decide to touch the target, I'm in profit still. Let's see. Yes, that's exactly the area was the market predicting to reach. But for now, this candle decided to go the way up, and then it's really like the body of the candle is similar to the red one, and then touch our stop loss. We're out with a little bit more than $20,000, and then look at that. Okay, so this is okay. So you see the candle is really embodied the other one, the red candle, the bearish one. So there is a strong reaction from the bull. So the bullish people decide there is a strong reaction or rejection of that price, of that area. So I will draw a line and explain why this area. As you can see exactly right there, you see where is the market like touch, and then before the reverse, it is a strong area of resistance. So as explained, so there's a lot of people scalping right there, was waiting for that area zone, and then the scalp, they make their profit. All good. Remember guys, to trade wisely. Take care.